Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and today I would like to show you how you can customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to type Keybaord and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Then choose Enable in Settings and click on the switcher next to Keyboard. After that, tap on OK, select Input Method over here and click Keyboard as well. Then tap on Done. Over here, go into Theme, Save CMS click and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select the photo that you want to apply. By tapping on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then choose Done and click on the switcher next to Keyboards to disable or enable them. Now choose Apply, and when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!